These are the Redmi Buds Pro 3, and over the years I've tested so many high-end earbuds, and I can honestly say the Redmi Buds Pro 3 might be the best value adaptive ANC earbuds I've ever tested, and these have some features that some flagship earbuds just don't have, and we'll get into that in this review. So let's start with the design. The Redmi Buds Pro 3's case has a really nice soft touch finish with a discrete pairing button, a notification LED, a nice bit of metal reinforcement around the USB-C charging port, and just beneath the surface above the Redmi logo is a Qi wireless charging coil. So these do support wireless charging. How about that? The lid is sturdy and has a satisfying snap open and snap close feel to it. The buds themselves have this kind of moonstone gem embedded on the back and a capacitive touch control sensor built in on both sides. So a double tap to play, a triple tap to skip, and a long hold will toggle between adaptive ANC and transparency modes. And just for clarity, what a transparency mode will do is use the exterior mics to feed the surrounding sounds into your ears, just in case you want to hear what people are saying to you. And there are 3 mics on each earbud, a feedback mic, a feed forward mic, and a microphone for speech. And the voice quality from the microphones is actually really good and on par with a lot of more expensive earbuds out there. There are wear detect sensors built in as well, so if you take one of the earbuds out, it will automatically pause your music, and this is a great feature because it's going to help save battery life. The drivers in the Redmi Buds Pro 3 are actually surprisingly large given the price. They are 9mm. Bigger drivers, bigger sound, in theory. And when I test earbuds out for the first time, I always test them with 5 or 6 different genres of music to see where they perform the best. And I can tell you, these have some thump. When it comes to bass, they hit really hard. So pop, hip hop, EDM will all sound great on the Redmi Buds Pro 3 in my opinion. The mids and highs are respectable given the price. More classical and more vocal tracks do sound good, but these earbuds are more about the power and bass in my opinion. So they're going to be generally well suited for more modern types of music. If you're wondering about Bluetooth codecs, they support SBC and AAC. AAC being the better option for higher quality audio, and on a Xiaomi device you can actually tell it to use the AAC codec exclusively, so that's great as well. So now let's talk about ANC. When I first tried these out, I had my TV on in the background at the usual volume, and the adaptive ANC combined with the powerful sound you get from these completely muted out the TV sound. So when it comes to ANC, you won't be disappointed. And the ANC will certainly serve you well on planes, trains, and automobiles. And they will adapt automatically for you as well. So there are 3 levels. You've got light, balanced, and deep noise cancelling with a maximum of up to minus 35 decibels, which is very good and almost unheard of at this price point. Like what I did there. And if you pair these up with a Xiaomi device, you'll actually get a bunch more cool features. So pop-up pairing is one of them, the ability to customize the capacitive controls. You'll also be able to switch the transparency mode into an enhanced voice mode. So if you really want to focus on what people are saying instead of just hearing everything. Now check this out, this is a big deal. These earbuds have Bluetooth 5.2, which means lag and latency is very minimal, and they're really well suited for watching movies, and you can get away with some light gaming as well. But the Bluetooth 5.2 also allows the Buds Pro 3 to have multi-point pairing. So if you're on the move and you're working, you might want to connect the earbuds to your phone and your laptop at the same time, and you can do that here with these buds. A lot of flagship earbuds this year don't have that feature. Now let's talk about battery life. So when fully charged, you'll get a maximum playback of up to 28 hours. That's 6 hours in the buds and an additional 22 hours with the charging case. Now with the ANC maxed out, you'll get about half of this, 3 hours in the earbuds and 11 hours with the charging case. And there are a lot of variables that can affect the battery life, but in a worst case scenario, 3 hours with deep bass maxed out and a very high volume isn't bad at all. But check this out, this is a pretty awesome feature. If you find yourself out of power, a quick 10-minute top up in the charge case will deliver up to 2 hours more of those good vibrations in the earbuds. So to sum up the Redmi Buds Pro 3, you've got a solid build. They're comfortable to wear. They have a bunch of additional awesome features. If you connect them to a Xiaomi device, they've got impressive adaptive ANC, big sound, and a small price. And because of those things, I can definitely recommend them to you. Go check them out. So thanks for watching this WhatGear review. If you enjoyed this one, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. And I'll see you guys in the next one, so don't be late.